beautiful angels, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get this Kylie Jenner inspired hair tutorial. I was going to say hair look, yeah, that makes sense. This is the hair I have been going for today. Obviously she's posing in a way which is sort of covering the curls a little bit, but I feel like I've sort of completed that wavy hair look and I'm really happy with how it's turned out. So this video is in collaboration with Xxxx. You guys know I'm such a huge fan of the brand. I love everyone behind it. I love the products. I swear by them. I use them on a daily basis, even when I'm not collaborating with them. So yeah, I'm so excited to be showing you guys this video and how to do this Kylie Jenner inspired hair look. So if you want to see how to do this really easy hair look, then please keep watching. So my angels, this is the current state of my hair. I don't really know what's going on to it, but I thought in today's video I can do this hair tutorial for you guys. I feel like I haven't done like a celeb inspired hair tutorial in a long time. I'm obsessed with her hair in this, and I remember seeing the picture and thinking, oh my god, I need to recreate that hair, and I'm sure you guys want me to do that too, because I used to do like celeb inspired makeup and hair and stuff all the time, and I haven't done it in, when was the last time? Maybe last year sometime. It's crazy. So that's what I'm doing for you guys today. Right, I'm getting my brush out the drawer. All I'm going to do first of all, oh my god, my hair, it's even got fluff in it. It's going to be so naughty. Oh god. Okay, let me just quickly brush this out and then we can begin properly. So the first thing I'm going to do, as you can see in the front of my hair, there's that little bits of like wavy bits. So I'm just gonna middle part it for now. I always find it's easier, like especially when you flip your hair to the side. If you style it with the middle part in and then you flip it, it gives it more volume because you're styling it this way. So then when you flip it, it's gonna rise a little bit, if that makes sense. So my hair's so frizzy at the moment, it looks awful. All I'm going to do is get some hair straighteners. It can be any straighteners of your choice, and literally just straighten the front parts of your hair. It won't take long at all, but this is what we're going to do before we actually curl it, just so it doesn't get like, it sort of gets rid of like any kinks or anything like that. So after we've sort of straightened the front parts of our hair, I'm just gonna put it back. It is a bit greasy, my hair. I feel like curling your hair works so much better when your hair is a little bit greasy because it adds more like texture to your hair and I feel like it stays longer. But I'm just gonna add some dry shampoo. This is the Batiste one, I think that's how you say it. Just here. So I sort of let it do its thing. I'll brush it out a little bit, but can you see it's got a little bit of colour? I used to use dry shampoo and it made my hair white and it looked grey and oh, it's awful. So using the brown one is perfect for my brunette hair. Okay, so how I curl my hair, I do it into two sections because this bottom bit I have tape hair extensions in. They're not the thickest tape hair extensions, so when it comes to like, I don't know how to explain it. Like sometimes if I need to, if I'm on a night out, I'll add more extensions to it because you can. You don't have to just have the tapes in, but it is easy. So yeah, I've brushed my hair out now. So I have now put my hair up into two sections. This bottom section, I just find it easier just to do two sections, mainly because this bottom section here, I've got tape hair extensions in. They're not the thickest tape extensions ever, so sometimes I do add the Xxxx clipping ones over the top, and you can do that. It just adds a lot of thickness and it's just incredible. If you're curling your natural hair but you want more of like a thickness, definitely get the Xxxx hair extensions. They are incredible, they're so good. So yeah, I highly recommend those. So to curl my hair today, I'm going to be using the Xxxx 7-in-1 curling wands. These are rose gold and they are titanium. Titanium, so the quality is incredible. You're not going to get better quality than this. They are aesthetically very pleasing. I'm going to show you that now, and they're just incredible. So I've quickly taken this out of the kit. Normally I've got a bit of OCD and put it always back in the box, I don't know why I do that. I literally don't know why. But I've been using this wand for maybe a month or two now, maybe 2 months I've been using it, and it's incredible. This is how I curl my hair. If you follow me on Instagram and you see my curly hair, these are the ones that I use. It is, oh, I just love the packaging, it's incredible. So I've got the thickest barrel onto this here. I'm going to show you guys how to clip it on in a minute. But I'm going to quickly show you guys the other ones that you can get. So this is the thickest one, which I'm going to use today. And then these are the other 6. So as you can see, they're really, really different. These sort of bobbly ones are really good for sort of more wavy texture, different hair. You can do loads of different styles with those. This one's a thinner, like the thinnest one. So it's really, really good for more of those like thinner curls. Or if you curl your hair and you want it to last longer, I normally use this one, mainly because it's like the medium size out of like the normal ones, and it just works really well for my hair. Yesterday I tried the biggest barrel for the first time. When I first did it, I was thinking this isn't going to work well, but it worked so well with my hair, and I'm so excited to show you guys how to use that one today. This one goes thicker and then thinner as it gets to the bottom. That's really good, just again for different sort of hair like styles. It'll be like thinner. It'll be tighter where the root is, and then it'll get thicker and like more wavier, if that makes sense. But yeah, these are really good for like festival hair and like sort of that wavy beach wave hair. It's just so good. When I go away to Turkey, I want to take all of these with me. My suitcase is going to be heavy. So to create them Kylie Jenner waves, I'm going to use the thickest barrel, and what you do, I'm going to show you guys now. Right, as you can see, each wand has a little dot here. Also, don't mind my nail. I accidentally cracked it off and I've put glue on it so it doesn't look too bad. I mean, it does look bad, but not as bad as it did. Anyway, you can see there's a little dot here. All you're going to do is clip the wand into it, and it will sort of clip like that. Then this twists. You're just going to twist that to the lock, and if you try and pull it, it is all secure in place. I'm then going to hold down the middle button until that comes on, and then I like to do mine, which is bad, but I do mine the highest setting because I would rather do it the highest setting and it to work sooner than for me to wait longer. But it's completely up to you and your hair. It just works for me because it will last a couple of days and I won't have to redo it after that. And then I find if I do it on a lower heat, it is better for my hair. I gurgled then at the same time, I'm so sorry. But yeah, it's better for my hair, but then at the same time, I'll have to redo it again the next day. So when I have this, I don't have to redo it. So it works well for me. So I'm just going to let that heat up. It honestly takes like 30 seconds, I think. It's nearly done it now. Crazy. So I'm just going to get my brush my hair out so it's all nice and smooth. This takes me about 15 minutes to do my whole head, which is amazing. But the bit that takes the longest is wait for it to cool after. That's one top tip I always give you guys when it comes to curling your hair, especially if you think it doesn't last as long, or it just, you curl it and it doesn't stay. There's 2 things actually that really help me when it comes to curling my hair. The first one, which I'm going to show you guys now, is if you get a bit of hair like this is like the thickness I'll do. It's now all heated up. It will literally just come up with the degrees. I literally just curl back this amount all the way to the ends. I leave like the tiniest bit like that because I don't want it to like curl at the bottom. I kind of want it to be a little bit more like natural. You can sort of tap on the hair but be really careful. So when you think it's done, you're going to let go. This is a tip that I really find helpful. You're going to let it go in your hands. Now, it does come with a glove, so if you're scared of burning your hand or anything like that, use the glove that it comes with because it's not going to be as hot, obviously. But I've been curling my hair for years, so I'm really used to this now. So when you've curled your hair, I put it in my hands and let it cool down a little bit in my hands. And when I feel like it's not as hot, I'll then let go. And then this is the curl I'll get. If I curl my hair and I don't hold it in, it literally falls down straight away. And I don't want that. I want it to sort of stay up, and then when I brush it out, that's when I want it to sort of fall. So that's my first tip. So I'm just going to put that behind me. Ooh. The second tip is to leave your hair, when you've done the whole head, completely to cool for about half an hour. I normally do my hair and then I do my makeup, so by the time my makeup's done, my hair's completely cooled down, and that's a top tip I'd give anyone. But I do my makeup first today because I just did. I was like, I'm filming a video, and then I was like, I don't actually do it like this, but oh well. So yeah, you're literally going to do this the whole way around. Make sure you hold it in your hand for about 15 seconds just to let it cool down for a little bit. You may think it takes so much longer, but it will last so much longer as well, so it's just so worth it. Drop in your hands like this. It should just look like that in your hands. If it's a bit hot, you can sort of bounce it up and down, but It should be alright. It just cools it down. It's so good. What I do, to be fair, what I have ordered, which I think will help so much, are the, what are they called? It's like the pin curl clips. So when you do this, it's like a round circle and it's like the silver clips. I got them from Amazon. They're called pin curl clips. They were so cheap, and you just pop it in there and then let it drop and it stays like this. So I've bought some of those. Look at that. That is perfect little curl. I bought some of those, so I'll show you guys how to do that again in another video if you guys are interested. I always have my hair curly because I feel like it lasts so much longer and I put less heat on it. But yes. Anyway, I feel like I could just talk for England right now. So what I'm going to do is do this to the rest of my head. It's so simple and easy to do. I'm going to put you on a time lapse so you can just see. I do this through my whole head. I do each side away from my face, so that way the hair falls away. Like, I won't curl my hair towards my face, if that makes sense. So I'm always curling my hair away. That's another top tip of curling. Let it go, leave it for a bit. And then yeah, after I've done each section, I'll then get my hairspray. This is the Tresemme Extra Hold number 4. It's really good. I just sort of use any hairspray that's on offer. That curls really tight, but it does drop, so don't stress. Anyway, stop talking. My phone on silent. So I've left my hair about 35 minutes to be precise. So as you can see, the waves haven't the curls haven't dropped. They've dropped a little bit, but they've sort of just cooled down a lot. They're not like warm anymore, so it honestly helps so much to do that because it will last so much longer, and when you brush it out it won't all come out at once. So I'm just going to take our little clips out. These are so handy. I also, if you don't have those, I normally use these ones from Primark. You get a 5 for £1. Then I'll do exactly the same thing. It doesn't really matter. You can use bobby pins if you need to as well. It's not like a big deal. So, sorry, I'm having a fight with this chair. So annoying. Right, so this is what my hair looks like. Very nice. I am going to use this spray here. It's from Mark Hill. It is the Taming Anti-Humidity Spray. This helps reduce frizz from your hair. So normally when I brush my hair out, it gets a bit frizzy. It happens. So this will really help maintain that. So I just spray it on the ends. Don't do your roots because you'll make your hair go greasy. Spray it. I do a little bit before and then a little bit after. Serum is also really good for that as well. And then all you want to do is gently brush your curls, and then every time you brush, go through it with your hands because it won't go as frizzy and the curls will sort of still stay there, if that makes sense. So just sort of go around like that. You see, it just makes it a little bit looser. Then I sort of just get each section and sort of put it back into its curl like that. So that's what it looks like. Kylie Jenner had her hair into a side parting and it was brushed out a bit more, so it's a bit more wavy. So I'm going to get this little guy here. It's such a good comb. It cost me 90p from Primark. Unbelievable. So I'm just going to do a side part like her one. It's not like proper side, but it's like this. And then I'm just going to sort of brush the hair with this because it makes it a little bit more wavy. Can you see that when you use like a comb like this? And I'm going to do the same to this side. And then she's got one side behind and this side's like this. As you can see, I don't know if you can, I get some baby hairs here that spike up. This is a little trick I like to do. With the ends of this, get your hairspray, spray the ends, and then literally brush it and it will sort of stick them hairs down. You can also do it with any flyaways at the top. So if you spray the brush and then go like this, it's like magic, honestly, it's incredible. And then just brush it out like that. I'm gonna get the Tame anti-humidity spray, spray it again, get my big brush and sort of brush the curls out. So it looks like this. If your hair isn't as voluminous on the top, what you can do is section it like into a middle bit again, like that. Get this comb, honestly, this is amazing. Obviously, if you don't have a Primark near you, you can get this on Amazon or whatever. And just back comb it like that and it will sort of stick up, can you see? And then you brush lightly around it. You see, and it will just give that bit of hair a little bit of volume that it wants. And then when you're happy with how your hair looks completely, you can get hairspray and just spray it and that will hold it in place. Okay, my angels, so this is the final result. I'm so happy with how it's turned out. I love the waves it creates. It's just, oh, I love it. It's stunning and I know they're going to stay there because they just do. They're incredible. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Also, I will leave the curlers and any products I've used in the description box down below. Let me know if you do recreate this look and tag me in over on Instagram and I will for sure repost you over on my story, give you a little message, and yeah, we can chat through there. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. It's been so much fun doing like a celeb inspired look, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.